pants from Zara, and the top is from Refinery, and I have this headscarf that I inherited from my mom. It's very nice, it goes well with the outfit. And the shoes, it's these fold over mules from Honey Laveri. Love them so much, and I think I like this outfit. And these earrings, I got them from, I cannot remember. And I'm wearing my Guess watch. It's very nice, it's a two-tone. Let me show you what I'm wearing today. It's my second day in Durban, and I am also leaving today. So this is the dress I'm wearing today. It's a nice shirt dress from Country Road. I got it long time ago, and it's the same headscarf I was wearing yesterday because my hairstyle is getting old. So this is the trick I'm using to cover up. Hi family, hi everybody. Today I'm just going to do a simple and a quick unboxing of the things that I bought for myself when I was in Durban. Yeah, so it's not a lot of things, but it's just to spoil myself because May is my birthday month. So I try by all means just to celebrate myself. There were times where I could not do this, and so all I am doing really, it's not to show off it, but it's unto God. And if you are sitting and you are watching, you must know that it is also possible with you to also spoil yourself. But I love perfume so much. I like smelling good. It makes me feel better, and I invest in very good perfumes. I try by all means to invest in perfumes that are good, but they are also like at a affordable, of course to me. Yes. Yeah, so this is actually what I bought for myself. I bought this Versace. It's I was so lucky because when I went there, I bought it from Woolworths, and they were running this special of all of their cosmetics there. If you buy two, you get 25%. So this one was actually, this alone, this 100 mils alone is about 2,300 and something, but I got all of this for about 1,800 and something, somewhere there. Yes. Yeah, so it's this 100 mils, and this travel size, and it has a body lotion and a shower gel. Yes, it has a body lotion and a shower gel, and then it comes in this nice packaging. Yeah, it comes in this very nice packaging. So I really believe that I got a bargain on this one because of that 25%, the special that they are running. So to qualify for 25%, I bought myself this matte liquid lipstick from Essence. It's very nice. I've been looking for it. I don't know if I'm going to like it. I'm really not sure. And then in Durban, I went ahead and bought these pants. I'm sure you guys have seen me wearing these pants. I call them Indian pants because I don't know what to call them, but there is a boutique there at Sugar Marine. That's where I normally buy. I think this is my Durban. So yeah, I like them so much. I like this African aesthetic over here. It's beautiful. I like it so much. That's all of the things that I bought. Is so on my way back, I went past Midlands Mall, and I went to Woolworths again. Still the 25%. These are the actually 4 items, but the other one is not in here. It's in my bag. I bought this W Beauty pressed powder, and then I'm buying this for the second time. I think I like it. It's this tinted moisturizer with SP 25. It's with hyaluronic acid. So I like it just to even out my skin. It works well, very well, because I'm not a makeup person, but I like this one. I'm buying it for the, yes, for the second time now. And then yes, I bought myself this lip liner to go with the liquid lipstick that I bought. And then I went to Body Shop, and then I bought myself this body mist. It's a vibrant bergamot. My goodness, I like this scent. It's, yeah, though it's not a perfume, though it's a body mist, but oh my goodness, it's so fresh. It's so fresh. But anything with bergamot, I like bergamot so much. And then I bought myself this exfoliating body scrub. Oh my goodness, it's a mango one. It smells divine, exactly like mango. Yeah, but it's very nice, and it is for dry skin. But anything that I buy for myself, it's for dry skin, because I'm very dry. My skin is very dry. Also, just to top up my collection of serums, I bought myself this serum here. It's vitamin C. Yeah, it's vitamin C serum. Hopefully it's going to treat me well. And that's it from Body Shop. And then I went to Refinery, because one thing about me, guys, I do like to buy things for winter. So this is the sweat dress that I bought. So yeah, I'm not going to try this on. It's a sweat dress that I bought. It comes down just below my knees. I like it so much because it's medium, and I'm a size medium who has gained a lot of weight recently. But still, this one, it's like loose. It's not tight, it's a bit loose. I like how it fits me, and it's very warm. It's very warm, really. I like it. And then I bought myself this polo neck. It's not a fold over one, but it says, I think it's a high neck. I think it's better if I call it a high neck. This knit jersey, and it's very nice. I like it so much. Both of these are from Refinery. And that's it. You know, it was just spoiling myself during my birthday month. Yeah. And this dress that I'm wearing here, I think they still have it in the shops. It's what I was wearing going to church today. It's this knit dress. I like it so much. My goodness, it's from Woolworths. I like it so much. Yeah.